Hello, and welcome to week 5 of our MAT081 course for fall 2023. In just a moment, we will look at all of the upcoming action items we have for this week, but I first wanted to make you aware of some workshop opportunities that we have on campus this week and next week. If you're ever looking for ways to improve your math-specific study skills, we have partnered with the Tutoring Center, and we are now offering a series of workshops to help you develop your math study skills. These workshops will help you build your confidence in math and help you feel like you're being more successful when you're completing homework assignments, when you're studying, when you're managing your time, when you're taking tests, etc. So all the content in these workshops can really help you be a more successful and more confident math student. They are all on campus. You can see we have 3 titles. The first one is called Coping with Math Anxiety. The second one is called Meaningful Habits of a Mathematician. And the third one helps you develop your note-taking skills. And it's called Write On, Making Your Math Notes Work for You. These workshops were developed by math instructors, but then we trained our math tutors to facilitate these workshops to the students. So it's really a great way to kind of tie in the math instructor's point of view with also our peer tutors' point of view to help you as a student be more successful. So I really hope if you are ever on campus during these days or times, or maybe you could find some time in your schedule to make it to campus during these days and times, take a screenshot and hopefully you can attend some of these workshops. It'll really help you in your courses. Okay, that being said, now let's go to week 5 and take a look at what we have coming up this week. The main thing I want to focus on this week is our assignment for the Canvas equation editor. So there is a quick quiz in Canvas, but the quiz is just 4 questions, and the questions are just asking you to perform certain tasks using the Canvas equation editor. So when we take our first online exam during week 7, you're already comfortable using the Canvas equation editor to enter your answers. So if you look in our week 5 overview, you're going to watch a video that teaches you how to use the Canvas equation editor. So you'll click on the link for the video, and in the video I walk you through the steps for how to access the Canvas equation editor and how to use it. And then we have a quiz called How to Use the Canvas Equation Editor. It's 4 quick questions, and when you take the questions, you're not actually solving any math problems just yet, but literally all you're doing is practicing with the notation. So notice in question 1, all you have to do is type in the fraction 1/3, but using proper mathematical notation. So you would click on the icon for the Canvas equation editor, click on the fraction symbol, and then that would allow you to enter the numerator and the denominator for 1/3, and then you would see how it would appear in your answer box. So when we come to question 2, now we're going to be entering the entire expression. And again, we're not simplifying the expression. We're not using order of operations right now. All we're doing is learning how to enter the expression so we can properly use the Canvas equation editor. So for instance, I think it began with a 3 squared. So I would start with the number 3, and then I would enter the symbol for an exponent, and then I would be able to enter 3 squared. And then, of course, you would continue with the rest of the expression. Right here, we're practicing entering a mixed number. So again, I would pull up the symbol palette for the Canvas equation editor. I believe it was 4 and 5/6. So I would type the whole number 4 and then use the fraction icon to enter the fractional part of the mixed number. And then you can see there's one more where we will practice using inequalities. So you're going to submit that quiz. And again, it's just teaching you how to use the Canvas equation editor so that you can enter your answers correctly when you're taking the next exam, which is due on Sunday, October 22nd. Okay, and now here it is, the secret question you have been waiting for. So after you finish watching this video, you will watch the second video on the week 5 overview page. In the second video, I will walk you through a series of practice problems on using your fraction operations to simplify expressions such as the one you see right now. So what I encourage you to do right now is take a screenshot or pause your video and copy this expression down, and then show your work for finding the least common denominator, and then write the equivalent fraction operation expression as an expression with equivalent fractions with common denominators, and then perform the indicated operations to simplify. So remember, you want to show all of your work in the discussion board so you can earn your 2 bonus points So make sure you get a screenshot of this because I am going to navigate away from it in just a moment. Okay, so then what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the week 5 overview page. And you can see here is the video that's going to walk you through a series of similar expressions on how to simplify them using common denominators. And then when you're finished, you will navigate to the discussion board where you can post your response. Now, you can use the Canvas equation editor that you just learned about to upload your response. So now that you know how to use the Canvas equation editor, you might find you want to use that instead of taking a photo of your work. Although embedding a photo is still a wonderful way to show your work, or you can use the screen recording feature on your iPad. So I can't wait to see your results, and I can't wait to see all of you earn your 2 bonus points. Remember, the bonus point discussion board is always due by Wednesday. So this one will be due on October 4th, and that will prepare you for the rest of the week as you complete your more assignments. Have a great week, everybody, and please definitely reach out to me if you have any questions at all.